All right, so the second reason I don't recommend to wait to do the flush is because you actually need to do the flush over and over until you get a flush that has no stones in it. So there's never going to be a right time, because let's say it takes 10 flushes for you to get to the flush that has no stones in it. There's not enough days in the month where it's like the perfect timing, right? So I just recommend that you just get started as soon as possible. Like I mentioned in the previous video, it's easy. It's not that difficult at all. The only people who might find it difficult is if you've been eating a really poor quality diet, like a lot of processed foods, because you're going to be going through a little bit of a detox first of all of those refined processed foods. And possibly if you eat a lot of sugar, when you're suddenly eating clean, then you start to go through those cravings and things like that. So but if you don't have any sugar issues and you are somebody who already eats clean, you literally can start this cleanse literally on Monday if you have some access to cranberry juice and apple cider vinegar. So most of us do. We can go to the health food store or the organic food store and get ourselves some of those. So super easy. Yeah. You don't need to put it off or worry that it's going to be too difficult, or that it needs to be, some very special time where you're not disturbed. It's just literally a Saturday afternoon and a Sunday. The rest of the week is easy.